So this is my project. This is the Nuke Center. It's the only mall in Greenland. Um, Over here, the wall is basically just a bunch of windows. It's basically glass. It's actually slanted. Um, let's see. That made it like pretty hard to find a photo for it because there was only a few photos that I could find, and the ones that I did find were always at an angle, and it just made it really hard to see what part of the wall was actually slanted. I ended up using Google Maps to help make this, so I, uh, it was hard. Um, Sorry finding pictures. I made the windows and the doors of the mall. Here's the door. There's some windows. You can see a couple of windows up there. Um, let's see. This little square right here is the Nuke Center sign. It's N and a C, I do believe. Our windows and doors. Um, this is some stairs. Um, I'm assuming this is here for when it's snowy. You can't exactly like climb up here if it's like full of snow and ice. This part was steep enough that you can't climb at all. I tried to make it as close to the original as possible. Um, it also goes like back farther that way. This like heel over here.